Transit, Mr. Luke Trichakan, and Mr. Krishna.
Zishan, mommy.
Zishan, look, mommy.
Zishan.
Yeah. Oh, you got the crayons. Mommy, look.
Wow.
Zishan's got the crayons. Look, that's goodies. He got the eraser.
Wow.
Yeah, ruler, pencils.
Goodie
That's
bag.
good.
Zishan
Goodie
got a
bag.
goodie bag.
So he got the goodie bags.
Wow, that's good, Daddy. That's
He got the goodie
good.
bags. My son's got the goodie bag, right, Zishan? And he wants this one.
Wow, you got headphone, Daddy. Good.
Headphone, right, Zishan?
Position. That's position.
Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are traveling in Malaysia Airlines first time, so I'm gonna show you what's the goodies and what's the perks they gives in the economic class. Okay, so let's watch my channel. Okay, do not forget to subscribe, like and share. Yeah. So I'm traveling with my son and my wife. Okay, my son Zishan, look in the camera. Show your goodies. So Zishan's got the goodies, right, Zishan? Yeah, you got the goodies, and you love it, right? Yeah, he's saying yes.
Lift the metal flag on the bucket. Ensure your seatbelt is fastened when the seatbelt sign is switched on. Keep it fastened and visible whenever you're seated. Smoking seatbelts are available on this aircraft. Evacuation. Life vests can be found here and here. To use it, tear open the bag and slip the life vest over your head like this.
So Zishan is ready. Zishan, put on your ear. Okay, Baba? Zishan is ready to play his games. Yeah? Are you enjoying? Zishan, are you enjoying? तो देखिए गाइस, हमने सीट 4 लेआउट की बुक की थी, लेकिन हमें हमारे पास कोई नहीं है, मतलब एक एम्प्टी हमें सीट मिल रही है, which is so good, you know. That's why we expected there, and then yeah, Zishan is playing game, right, Zishan? What are you playing? Game? You playing piano? Yeah, Zishan? Look in the camera. Look in the camera. Say hi. 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 Say hi.
कहाँ से बोलेगा, उसके कान में म्यूजिक बज रहा है.
Zishan is enjoying. For my son Zishan, चिकन एंड वेजिटेबल पेस्ट्री मैंने ऑर्डर किया था, वेजिटेरियन में बच्चों के मलेशियन एयरलाइंस ला रही थी, सो दैट्स विल बी ऑलराइट, बट अच्छा है, इट्स नॉट बैड, गुड. सो दिस इज स्लीपिंग टाइम फॉर Zishan.
मेरा मतलब
Zishan is sleepy. airlines where we are traveling. As you can see, let's choose. That's mainly okay. Carvings, water. गाइस यहाँ पे सुबह हो चुकी है और हमने अपना ब्रेकफास्ट कर लिया है। यहाँ पे मैंने एक बात नोटिस की है कि यहाँ पे नो अल्कोहल इन मलेशियन एयरलाइंस एंड सेकंड थिंग इज़ it's good that you know you can actually pray. It actually shows you the direction of Kaaba, the Fajr prayer, you know, all those prayers list in the map here, which is so good, you know. So sometimes you can do, especially during Ramadan time, you know, you can do wudu with a little bit of water, if just a little bit, whatever you can do, you know, or you can go to toilet and do that in bathroom, and yeah, that's cool thing which I noticed, and alhamdulillah, that's good. So here is my breakfast: black coffee, sammas again. So guys, I have noticed one thing: there is a free Wi-Fi service here, which I can show you. So when you hit that QR code and then you connect it with your Wi-Fi, which is currently on in my mobile, as you can see. Yeah, so quite impressive. Yeah, sometimes it connects, sometimes it doesn't, so not sure whether if it depends on